What's up, guys? Looking at this projector, does it remind you of anything? We tested the Repabo projector about a year ago. In fact, it is exactly the same as XIDU S1, but under a different name. Now we have a mini version of that projector. It looks just the same, but it is about 5 times more compact. It is also about 5 times cheaper. Right now you can buy it on Amazon for only $59. You know, the XIDU S1 was a pretty popular projector because of its features. I especially liked the sound quality. Of course, I don't expect the same sound from the compact projector, but let's see what it can do. The projector comes in a very modest box. It has the XIDU logo on the front and the field beam logo on the side. By the way, on the back of the box, we can see the model's name M260. However, on the Amazon product page, projector is called XIDU Field Beam S2. Just keep in mind that it is the same projector. Inside the box, we have the projector itself. Remote control, power adapter, EV cable and user manual. You know, I'm surprised at how similar the new XIDU S2 looks to the previous XIDU S1. It is made of the same plastic, but the mini version is green. The front panels are also identical, including the logo, but the lens on the new projector is on the left, while the large projector has it on the right. The focus adjustment wheel is on the left side of the projector. The back panel has a speaker, cooling fan, as well as connectors such as HDMI port, USB port, headphone jack, AV port, IR receiver, and DC power port. It looks like the main difference in design between XIDU S1 and XIDU S2 is the control buttons on top. Now they are more compact and round in shape. As for installing the projector, you can simply place it on a table on its 4 rubberized feet. It also has a tripod mount, so you can also install it on a tripod. You know, I'm surprised that this ultra-budget projector has fully sealed optical engine and dust-proof design. I also have to show you the remote control, but it is very simple. It is made of cheap plastic and it only has basic control buttons. So the company has made a nice mini version of their popular projector. But let's turn it on and see the image quality. The system of the XIDU S2 projector is very basic. I would even say that it looks outdated, like from 90s. This is not a smart system, so it doesn't have a built-in applications. However, you can connect a USB flash drive and go to movie, music and picture sections. You can also select the input source for the projector, such as AV, HDMI or mirroring. We will check out screen mirroring a little later. If you go to Bluetooth on the home screen, you can use the projector as an external speaker for your smartphone. However, the XIDU S2 projector has dual 5 watts built-in speakers. Let's listen to some music and check out the built-in speakers' sound quality. As for me, the sound is good for such a compact projector. But of course, it is far from the previous XIDU S1 projector, which has dual 10 watts speakers. By the way, the new projector supports bidirectional Bluetooth, so you can also connect external speakers or earbuds to it.
Connected.
Okay, let's go back to screen mirroring. As you can see, we can mirror the screen of Android or iOS devices, but first we need to connect the projector to the Wi-Fi network. There are also some more settings available for the wireless connection. Now just pick up your phone, go to screen mirroring and select the projector. The XIDU S2 supports dual-band Wi-Fi 5, and I think the delay is pretty low. You can watch social media or YouTube on a big screen. By the way, I forgot to show you projector settings. Here we have video settings with picture mode, aspect ratio, color temperature, and reduce display size. The sound settings include sound mode, surround sound, and audio volume. In the projector settings, you can choose a projector placement. Finally, the system settings include OSD language, OSD duration, software update, and restore factory default. Okay, before we move on to image quality, which is the most important thing for any projector, let's measure the fan noise level. It is 46 decibels near projector. And 43 decibels at 1 meter. Despite its compact size, the XIDU S2 makes the noise of some larger, but also more expensive projectors. Finally, we can talk about image quality. But first, I want to remind you the price of the projector – only $59. No wonder, it has 720p native resolution, but 1080p video playback support. I can see that only the right side of the screen is a bit blurry, while the left and center are clear. But the image is very pixelated because to its low resolution. This projector is definitely not for the office or college, because the text is hard to read. However, it is pretty good for watching videos. The projector has 9000 to 1 contrast ratio. The colors are decent for an ultra-budget projector. As for the brightness, it is not so clear-cut, because the Amazon page says at least 3 parameters: 10,000 lumens, 8500 lumens, and 12,000 lumens. I don't know the exact brightness of the XIDU S2 projector, but from my experience, I think it is around 150 ANSI. That's enough for watching videos in a dark room. Let's watch a few of them.
Something always got in the way. God, get out of here! But the call of the mines was too strong. So one day, I started digging and digging until I found. Always execute your girlfriend. Attaboy. You're a low-level TSO. You're going nowhere. I'm telling you how this goes.
I knew you could do it. Well, okay, I didn't really know, but
and play the role man. You see, Schroeder, he's got to come up to score Green stunning at him.
He knows what the opponent is running. He blows up opponents' plays all the time. Nice feed inside, but Bazemore rushed it. Although Davis's presence had something to do with that. Caldwell Pope three-pointer. Across midfield, stays on his feet. Samuel to the 37-yard line. And we're going to run a third 10 inside with Mason. The United still this great Greenlaw, their terrific linebacker next to Warner. Samuel goes off the edge, slips.
As for watching in a bright room, you can see the projection on the wall, but I think it is better to turn off the lights.
Check the back for third and 7. Ernie's throw is held on to at midfield.
That's man Garrison. Game of the year 1989. Whatever. I barely think about it.
Welcome to the overworld.
Garrett the Garbage Man Garrison. Game of the year 1989. Whatever. I barely think about it.
Welcome to the overworld.
So let's draw conclusions. First of all, the new XIDU S2 projector is only $59 on Amazon. You can even use $10 of coupon code right now, so it is only $50. For this money, you will get a very compact projector with a nice design, in my opinion. It has Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, so you can connect external speakers or earbuds to it, as well as mirror the screen of your smartphone. As for image quality, I would say it is better than you would expect from a $50 projector. Yes, it only has 720p resolution, but it has good colors, and the brightness is enough to watch any content in a dark room. So if you want a projector for the kids or for yourself, but you don't plan to use it very often and don't want to spend a lot of money, then XIDU S2 is a good option. Thank you for watching. See you soon!